Doesn't matter, couldn't care if he changes rein. Walk on. I just want to walk. I'm going to take his nose this way though, whilst he's walking. So one thing I want you to understand is when they're this green, you can only do one thing at a time. He's stopped, that's fine. Now I'm asking him to go. Good. Now he's going and I'm not asking him to go. Maybe then because I can ask him to turn and release because he turned. He stopped and that's okay. Ask him to go again. Now turn him. Ask him to go. Turn him. Ask him to go. You can't turn and, like here, I can't turn him. Well, I shouldn't, as far as I'm concerned. Turn and go at the same time. That's two things. So I can take his nose and when it's soft, now ask him to go. And he might go where his nose is pointed. Good. Good boy. Now I just don't ask him to go. I don't care where he goes, even if he goes backwards. Good. Stop the legs. Stop the legs. Remind him. Now he's going, so I can take him to the left. Good. And let go as his nose goes to the left. Keep going. I don't care if he's sniffing the ground. Some horses I may not let do that. Depends, every horse is different. Good, that's a good walk. So as soon as he stops, now I'm asking him to go. Turning him, let go. Now ask him to go. As I turned him, he started to slow down. And I wasn't going to ask him to go at the same time because it's two things. It doesn't take long and you can start to put them together. Right, so he's going okay. Turn this way. Use the fence to help me. Now I'm going to ask him to trot. Good. Good. Don't care where he goes. He's trotting. That's what I've asked him to do. Good boy. Now that he's trotting and I'm not asking for anything, I might turn him this way. Good. I'm just going to let him flow. If he slows down like that, that's fine. Good boy. Ask him to go. I'm not kicking him here. I'm being annoying with my legs. And when he goes, they stop. My body goes with him, though. Now I'm going to take him to the left and ask him to go. Take him to the left and ask him to go. So I'd stop taking him to the left when I asked him to go. So take him to the left, ask him to go. Take him to the left, ask him to go. So it's one thing at a time. Ask him up into trot, sit up, lift my energy. Trot, trot. Not care that he cuts the corner. It's far too green. If he feels like he's going to go into canter, I'll just let him. Now I can go this way, turn, use the gate, the fence. He's a bit stuck there. That's okay that he stopped. It doesn't matter. Turn him, then ask him to go. Trot there, that's fine. Sit back while he's doing this because he might just throw a buck in. I'll deal with it if he does. Oh, I just will stop and tighten this saddle up. I think my little girth may be a bit loose. Yells up. Good boy, this is a dangerous position to be in, as in if he does something here, I'm in the ejector seat position. Walk on, walk on. That's a boy. No, this way, release. This way, release. Good boy. Good boy, you're all right. I'll just bend him and keep him going. Come on. A tat. Rightio. Good boy. Just going to stop him here and move him off my inside leg. Good. Good boy. Walk on. I've increased the pressure here a little bit. Good boy. I'm not in front of that, mate. Walk on. Can you just go around that, maybe? Hey? To the left. I want him to go to the left here. He hasn't yet. I was just holding his nose there. Good. Release then. It was a hindquarter move, not a front one. That's it. Good boy. To the left. To the left. Yes. Good. And then let go. That's better. Good boy. Ooh. I want him to walk here. If he's not going to stop, I'll turn him into the fence. Good, thank you. Good. So you can see we've got fairly poor steering. I want him to go to the left. Good. To the left. Good. So he decides that he will trot when he goes to the left at the moment. It's okay, just kick his haunches off of me. Good. Allow him to walk this way to the left. Good. I don't want him to trot now. I'll ask him when I want him to trot. Boy. Good boy. To the left. Now to the right. To the right. To the right. Kick the hindquarter underneath. Good. Good. To the left. Kick the hindquarter underneath. Good boy. That's the way. Good boy. And woo. 2 rein stop. Woo. And it's not working very well. I'm not pulling anymore because it's not working. I'm going to use the actual... Oh, he stopped. I was going to say I'm going to use the fence. Good. Good. That was a light milk on 8. That was lovely. Good boy. Ooh. Good. That was a light stop. And I'm going to do another light walk on. Walk on. Good. It's okay. 1 step. Good boy. Here, I can't really steer him. Walk on. That's it. Walk on. Oh, she's warm, mate, isn't it? Okay, turning to the right, and I have to put the right hind leg under him now to get him turning. Good boy. No. I'm just going to ride him at the fence here. Rather than argue with him about slowing down, I'll just ride him into the fence. Walk on. No, he can keep walking now. All right, good boy. Ooh. Good. Walk on. Good. Boy. This way. Push the right hind under. Push the right hind under. Ooh. Now, I don't know if I can do this. Yep, good boy. It was pretty good. Good boy. This way. I'm trying to get the shoulder. Yes, to come that way. Good. Good boy. Walk on. Walk on. Yep, good. See, nothing on the front then because he was thinking he has to walk backwards. Good. Don't you dare grab that rein with your teeth, you little terror. Okay. Trot, trot. Trot, trot. Good. Don't worry about what happens in the front here, guys. It all settles down in the long run. Now I want to try and do a turn here, putting his left hind leg underneath him. I said, good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Right leg. Come over this way. I don't want to turn right, but I'm trying to get him out to the track. Good. See if we can turn through the centre. This way, this way. Chop, chop. Wasn't too bad. So see, he's falling to the right here. Left front to the track. Left front to the track. Left front to the track. Good boy. And we might actually call that quits there.